In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do custom CSS on a Wix website step by step, even if you're a beginner and have never touched code before. Custom CSS allows you to fine-tune your design, adjust spacing, colors, fonts, and layout details that aren't available through the standard Wix editor. This is especially useful if you want your site to stand out and look more professional. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and open the Wix Editor or Wix Studio for the site you want to work on. Once your site loads, navigate to the exact page where you want to add or customize CSS. This is important because custom styles are usually applied based on the elements on the current page. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct page, especially if your site has multiple pages or sections. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the Wix editor. Here, you'll see a vertical toolbar with different icons. Find and click on the Code option on the left side. This is where Wix allows you to access advanced features like custom code and developer tools. If this is your first time using it, Wix may show a short prompt explaining what coding features can do. Go ahead and continue. After clicking on Code, you'll see an option that says Start Coding. Click on Start Coding to enable developer mode for your site. This step unlocks the ability to add custom code, including CSS, JavaScript, and other advanced customizations. Once developer mode is enabled, you'll notice new panels and options appear in the editor. Now, to add custom CSS, you'll typically work with custom code sections or target elements using their IDs or classes. Select the element on your page that you want to style, then check its settings to find the element ID. Once you have that ID, you can write CSS rules that target it specifically. For example, you can change background colors, font sizes, padding, margins, borders, and much more. Paste or write your CSS code carefully and make small changes so you can easily see what each rule does. As you apply your custom CSS, preview your site frequently to make sure everything looks correct on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Wix sites are responsive by default, so always double-check that your custom styles don't break the layout on smaller screens. If something looks off, you can quickly adjust your CSS and preview again. Once you're happy with the changes, save your work and publish your site to make the custom CSS live. Congratulations, you've successfully added custom CSS to your Wix website. This gives you much more control over your site's design and helps you create a more unique and polished look. If this video helped you understand how to do custom CSS on a Wix website, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.